Hey everyone, welcome to Simplified Plan. Today I am going to be planning my Hobonichi cousin for the week of June 13th to June 18th, and I'm going to be using this sticker set from Simplified Plan. You can go to simplifiedplan.com and go to the Etsy link and see these sets in there. I'm super excited because these are newly released. And I love them. I love the colors. We did a yellow one last week, and I have an aqua one coming up that I can't wait to share with you, and then this one, and then 4th of July. Oh, it's just like the ball is rolling now, so I am so excited. So I'm going to plan just off of the sheet because there is everything that I need, and I love that. So start by putting down some washi tape at this time because I use this section in my business planner to keep track of stats for my businesses. So I gotta put that there. And I am just like really digging the colors in this. I love the pinks and purples and blues in it. It's beautiful, I think. And yeah, so and I love that there's like, I don't know if you can actually see the different colors really well. They're vibrant. I did a terrible job of pulling this one up, so we'll see if I squished it. I'll smooth that out though, it'll be okay. Okay, so last week I kept these in this section, even though they were designed for that section. Just because I decided I didn't want to have the extra layer of stickers for the date. But I wanted to see the day of the week still. So that's what I'm going to do again this week. I'm still kind of debating on the whole if I want to add another layer of stickers for the number or not. I like having the number visual for me. So I think it's good to keep it. So we'll see. I love the font on this one too. It's so pretty. Okay. Put a Wednesday on. I'm so excited to share these with you guys. I think they're so pretty. As I am learning to create more and more of them, I just love like flexibility of having either different themes of colors or things or whatnot. So, you know, I've done the patterns, I've done like I love doing watercolor stuff, creating watercolor. That's probably one of my favorites. Yeah, so okay. There's that. And then I'll add this to do over here. Honestly, for me, there's more than enough stickers on this sheet. There's probably almost too many for this planner in particular, but that's okay. I love them. And I can always use the other ones later. And this theme for this week was faith-based. Which I love to have a little bit more of that in my planner. So if you like this week and you like the faith-based, you should go check out the link. And I also used a lot more quotes and stuff this week in the boxes, and I love that. Some weeks are super simple, and then other weeks have different quotes and such with them, so I think that's super cool. Alright. And they're just like good daily reminders, you know, that I am enough and I need to breathe every once in a while. And I love this one, be living proof of a loving God. But I don't know where I'm going to put it, so I might have to wait on that one. Okay. And the other one, it says, when I'm afraid I will put my trust in you. I may hold off on those right this second. And then I'm going to try, I did measure this ahead of time. And these were technically measured for anywhere in the planner, but I want to see if I can put them down here this week instead of up at the top. And I think I can. It does cover that a little bit, the washi. So, yeah, maybe I won't. We'll see. Alright, let's try out the banner. Put the banner, we'll start it down here. See where it ends up this time. Yeah, there we go. Alright, here's a test if I can pull this up. Yay. You never know if I'm going to rip the Hobonichi pages or the tomoe paper. It's a beautiful paper, but it's thin. Okay, there we go. And then we'll do one more on Friday. Start at the top. Okay, and then add in some very important dots. A little too much space on that one. It's okay. Okay, and then Friday. So delicate. Oh, the colors. Okay. So this might be my week, you guys. I'm gonna leave the rest off right now. I think I'll just keep them in here for stick them in next week or something, so I have them throughout the week if I need them or want them. But yeah, let me know what you think about my new setup, and I'd love it if you check out my shop on Etsy. It is Simplified Plan, and you can go to simplifiedplan.com and check that out. And thanks for watching my video, guys, and we will see you again next time. Have a great day.